Have you ever felt stressed or anxious and wondered where and if you could reach out to receive help? It's very normal for us as individuals to feel overwhelmed with our emotions and maybe feel the need to reach out and receive an expert's opinion. I myself have reached out to receive an expert opinion a time or two. The Canadian Psychological Association tells us that some of us psychologists' responsibilities include analyzing mental health, deciphering between normal and possibly problematic behavior, and aiding individuals. I will be going over what a psychologist is, some of their responsibilities, and how they're impacting society positively. Psychology is the study of the human mind and behavior. These studies are normally done by psychologists. A psychologist is somebody who has received academic education in the topic of psychology. They do these studies and then analyze the data to understand human behavior and possibly predict future behavior. Psychologists are doctors, but not in the same way that a physician is a doctor. A psychologist is not a medical professional, but rather a mental health professional, falling into their own category. Psychologists treat a number of different ailments, including different types of anxiety, different types of depression, OCD, PTSD, eating disorders, and just flat out coping with stress. They use various forms of counseling and therapy to help people. They may also help children develop social skills, along with helping people with chronic illnesses, because people with chronic illnesses tend to have a long-term negative effect on their mental health due to their illness. The UCLA website states that psychologists are not qualified to prescribe medication, but work very closely with psychiatrists and clinical psychologists who are capable of prescribing medicine. Psychology and psychologists are a very large tool in our society, and people use them for various amounts of things. Last year alone, there were 13.5 adolescents that received some type of mental health treatment, along with 20% of adults who received some type of mental health treatment, adding up to a combined 33%. Psychiatry.org tells us that over 75% of people state that they have some sort of benefit that comes from visiting and talking to a psychologist. Psychologists are a valuable tool that are open to the public and can promote positive mental health and allow society to become a better place. They use research to benefit individuals and society as a whole. It's very normal for us to feel anxious and depressed and stressed, but it isn't normal when those things start to affect our day-to-day life. Luckily for us, we have psychologists who are available to help us as we process through our lives. Thank you.